of Craving Wheels, and you can see that guy. Remember him from my old videos? That is the point a long time back where I was happy and jolly. Since then, we have upgraded a lot more. And today again we are heading to Howth, but not exactly to the Howth seaside. We are going to the lighthouse, and I'm pretty excited for it. So I have crossed the main traffic lane area, and now I'm expected to reach in a timely manner. What do you mean by timely manner, right? In timely manner means with less traffic lights in my journey, and just smooth ongoing process. Though it will not be a case, but we can always try, right? It's important. Traffic is not too much, but yeah, I can see a line which I'm not exactly happy about, but we cannot do anything about it. We have to go with the flow at the moment. And that traffic light have like a very little period of, from red to green, and it again goes to green to red in a snap of a moment. So we will eventually make our way through, I know, but patience. So let's move forward. Okay, now it's green. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yellow light. 10 seconds of green light, 3 seconds of yellow light, and boom. And I didn't see any vehicle moving. Man. Now you see the struggle. Why I was upset about this particular light. But it's okay, eventually we'll get there. So okay, let's move forward and see where we go until the next time. So we are making our way through the Howth, and we have almost reached the halfway. It's just 10 kilometers left, this particular route which goes to the right. So we'll go next time. We always have something to discover extra, right? Kinara. Makes sense. I was like, why Kinara? Why this place has such a Kinara vibe? It makes sense now. No rush, don't rush. Oof. Like if I'm living any one of these houses front, like with a garage proper, like where I can store my bike inside, I will take that deal, man. Like legitly, just in winters, if the snow falls, in case it doesn't, but in case, this whole area would be like white as hell, man. Just some beautiful vibes around. Vibes, huh? The important thing in Ireland is to follow the speed limit. And one good thing about this navigation is, even though after every 300-400 meters you have the speed limit sign in the nav, you can see it here, like it's clear, you have to be at this speed limit. There would be really very very few people who would you actually see like overcoming the speed limit, but rest of them follow like it as a something written and on stone. That's a good thing about Ireland, following the rules. Still incidents occur, accidents happen. I'm not saying it doesn't happen, but it's very less. So now 8 kilometer wants to go, and from there, as soon as I cross the road, the speed limit will change to 60. Just keep on paying attention here because I can see the signboard over there. Okay. So we are crossing the road. We are crossing the road. We are crossing the road. And at this particular moment, the signboard is here with 60, and in the screen changed. From the last trip to Valley Mount, I remember I was in the road with the 100 kmph, and there were these 2-3 vehicles in front of me were like on 60, and I was like, come on guys, come on guys, come on guys. But I had to be very patient enough to tackle them and stay behind them. And in all this process, I feel that how patient I am when I have this powered ICC bike, how much I can control myself. So like, yeah, I passed the test, which was created by me only. So happy enough. And if I'm not wrong, we are going somewhere in top of that hill. I think so. That's my understanding. But let's see. The green light say go go go, go go go, go go go. The green light say go go go, my fair lady. Let's move forward slowly, slowly. So the route exactly I am in right now, it's also known as the scenic route. You could see why it is known as a scenic route, man. Just look at it, how beautiful it is. But we have to go straight. We have more in our plates for today. So let's have some little bit of patience. Little bit of patience, and we will eventually get there. So mostly school ahead areas is with the 30 kmph speed limit. You can see children around, so it's good to maintain the speed limit. And from this particular point, the speed limit increased to 60 kmph. Man, look at it. क्यों आजकल नींद कम का ज़्यादा है, लगता खुदा का कोई नहीं. And here we are entering, going into proper Howth, and our end destination would be extra beautiful. I'm 100% sure. So yeah, from here we have to take the turn. These small turns make a big difference. So the lighthouse is there, but there was no entrance towards the lighthouse from here. But I know where to end up our ride. है, तुम यूं चले आते हो। From here we have to take right and we will reach the main destination. Yeah, so if I want to reach there, yeah, that's our end destination for today. Just look at the fucking view. Just look at the view.